I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you, coming with the thunder.
Flipkart Big Shopping Days, from today till 22nd March, exciting deals on all categories plus 10% instant discount on SBI credit and EMI transactions. Vivo V19 with dual punch-hole selfie camera, launching soon in India. Realme 6 Pro, lightning red color variant, is launching in Europe. As of now, will also debut in India later. Redmi K30 Pro and 22 scores are really impressive. Device will feature Snapdragon 865 chipset, LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Redmi K30 Pro will also come with Game Turbo 3.0. The pop-up selfie camera has notification LED light that shows different colors. Samsung is working on a 150-megapixels camera sensor, which will be reportedly available first in Xiaomi phones. Finally, 108-megapixels camera is here, Xiaomi Mi 10 launching in India, on 31st March at 12:30 p.m. Honor 30s launching on 30th March in China, it will sport the newest Kirin 820 5G chipset. Royola to launch Flex Pi 2 on March 25.